Guys, this is BMW 2009 750i, and my door soft close does not work properly. It doesn't close all the way, so as you can see, it doesn't close all the way. Just watch this again. You see? So something is broken. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the door panel, okay? And if I will be able to fix that, I will definitely show you. If not, then I will have to replace it. Okay, you can start by removing this part. Now there's a pin right here, right on the bottom, and some people actually like to pull it out from here, or you can actually just grab something thin and small and just push it inside all the way. Okay, so it looks like I'm missing one. I push inside and there's nothing, okay? So it's probably there somewhere, or maybe someone lost it while, fixing it. Okay, now we can start from the back. And just go around carefully. And be very careful because there's this light right here that goes right underneath. Okay? You don't want to break it. Just put your clip remover right in between. Okay? And go like this. Just go carefully, okay? Okay, now you can just turn it like this, okay, and pull it out. So like I said, be very careful with the light right here because you will break it. If you don't do it right, you will break it, okay? You don't want to break it. Okay, now we have T30s right here. Take the screws out. Okay, and now we can go ahead and start removing the panel. Now we just need to bring it up. Okay, that's why you need to remove this part right here. And carefully remove it. Okay. You can disconnect the wires and everything, but I don't want to do that right now. I just need to get to the inside. Okay, so it looks like I have to remove this part, the one that there's like shades or something. So because I would have to remove this part right here. I'm also using 11mm socket to open these. Okay, then you can pull them out. It has to be very thin to get in there. Okay, so let's remove this part. Oh, okay. That's the only bolt you need to remove, I guess, because it moves now. That was the correct choice. Okay. Okay, so I have to disconnect all the wiring because I cannot remove this otherwise. So I'm gonna have to disconnect this wire here. Okay, that's weird, but it came out like this. Okay, so I guess I'm not gonna remove the rest because I have access right here to this part. And I'm just gonna remove these using 8mm socket. Okay, so this is the old lock actuator and this is the new one. As you can see right here, it's broken. Right here, this is broken, so it should go like this. It should go inside like this and hold it right here. Okay, but since this is broken here, this cable right here, it went like inside. I just pulled it out. It went inside there, and because of that, it was not working properly. You see, like this, it goes inside like this, and it's loose like that. So this is what caused it not to work properly. Okay, and right here we see the new lock actuator. It's holding good here. Okay, so but as you can see, there's no thread here. Okay, so I will have to make my own thread. So you need a special tool for this. Okay, so right now I'm testing which one fits better, and it looks like this one fits very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna hold it straight. And just do that to all of them, all three of them. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Okay guys, the lock is installed, and when installing this, be very careful. Okay, this is how it is installed. It has to go in very easy, okay, or easy enough, because, and look how it goes, it makes like a loop like this, because if you install it the other way, you will break these right here. Okay, and that's what I did right here. I broke them, so I could not buy the new cable, so I ended up buying the used cable on eBay, which was like $16. So, and if you want to see how I replaced this cable, I will also link the video below in my description, or you can look it up in my profile, okay, in my videos. Hey guys, so don't forget to plug this right here, this wire there, okay, and as you can see, like, everything is already working. So look at this, you see. So guys, now you can put everything back together. I just don't want to make it too long, but if this video was helpful, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel.